Agency LLC, one of the most valuable departments of ours is the Credit Restoration Department. We strive to provide excellent service to each and one of our clients. It's extremely important to improve your credit. Credit matters in all aspects of your life. Employment, getting utilities, getting cell phones, it's extremely important. So we provide that service for all our clients.
For over a decade now, we've been aiding our credit-challenged clients remove any derogatory items off of the credit report, such as public records, liens, charge-offs, and collections. We are the best at what we do when it comes to credit repair.